Welcome to the Java Masterclass, where you'll learn real-world programming skills that will enable you to get your first Java programming job or perhaps a more senior Java programming position. Java, even in 2019, is still incredibly popular and heavily used, and there's never been a better time for you to build Java programming skills and to take advantage of the loads of job and freelance opportunities that are available for Java programmers today. So my name is Tim Pachalka and I'm your course instructor, and I've been a professional software developer primarily in Java for the last close to 20 years now, but overall 35 years of real-world programming experience. So this course covers Java full stop. Yes, it's a very comprehensive Java course, and it'll literally take you from downloading the free tools that you need to be able to program in Java through to writing your first Java program, and then to more and more advanced concepts, and basically taking you to the stage where you can really write your own advanced Java programs. Now, the course itself is a massive 77 hours of video training and is constantly updated. And apart from the videos that are included, there's also lots of other coding challenges and programming exercises included, and they're there to help ensure that you fully do understand the material that you're being taught. Now, our support for any questions you have is second to none. So if you leave any questions in the Q&A section of the course, we very promptly get back to you, answering your questions in detail. You'll be answered either by myself or my teaching assistant Goran, who is also Java certified, meaning that you're getting the right, basically the right support from people who actually understand Java and can help you learn it the right way. So we're here, it's our mission to make sure you learn Java the right way, and we will support you along the way to your journey to becoming a Java programmer. So by the end of the course, you'll know Java at a deep level, and you'll be able to write your own Java programs, I should say. Now, lots of students in this course have got their first programming job, their first junior Java programming job after going through the course and completing it. And what's more, lots of students have also gone on to successfully pass Oracle's Java certification. Now, there's no reason why you can't do either or both of those things as well. Now, the ideal student is anyone who wants to learn Java. No previous programming experience is assumed, but there is also advanced content for more experienced developers as well. So it's not just a beginner's course. If you're a beginner or you're someone who's got some programming experience, then you'll find material in this course which will be very beneficial to you. Now, no other prerequisites are required to take the course. So are you ready to get started? Well, we'll click on the Enroll button on this page to get instant access, but also you can use the Preview button on this page to check out some of the course videos if you want to do that before making a decision. So I look forward to seeing you on the inside.